Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a laptop not turning off after pressing shutdown in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method on just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select view by to large icons and select the power options. On left side select choose what the power buttons do. Select change settings that are currently unavailable. You just need to uncheck this option guys. Turn on fast startup and select the save changes option, and now restart your PC and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, go to search menu and type cmd, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for this command used in the video. Just copy and paste it and press enter. After finishing this command, you just need to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.